super sensitive Monday for men. I did everything else I think needed to be done.
This is room 309 in the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Green Bay. And it has a kitchenette because it's an extended stay, which with a good sized fridge and freezer, has plates, paper towels, a coffee maker with some coffee. See what brand it is. Coffee bean and tea. Oh, that's actually a big brand on the West Coast, I believe. Microwave, GE1. Cups. And we have actually a dishwasher and a table work area, guest services guide, which I haven't looked at. And we have a orange, very bright orange couch here. They show that in the pictures of the room too, and that really is orange. And over there it's got a art piece that is designed for Green Bay. I guess it's the map of Green Bay. And there's a mirror behind me. And there is a TV. And there's a like a comforter. And the drawers. And the Gideons were actually here. You don't see that all the time anymore. They gave me water because I'm a Hilton Honors member. There's plug there. Shelving. A place. The stand was already out in the open closet, which is fine. There's a light switch here on the wall. And then we have a table with outlets on it. And looks like a full bed. I swear I booked a queen, but that's fine. And there is a phone with TV with outlets including USB. And then a dividing curtain, which is kind of cool because I know this goes into being a sofa bed. And there's outlets as well on that lamp. And now here is the bathroom in the Home2 Suites. Mirror, it's not very big, but there's a shower stall. Oh, and then there's shampoo and shower gel on the wall, rather than there being little bottles to take like they have at other places. There is bath soap though here, and a makeup wipe that you see.